For this week's Team Lead Tech Tip, we're going to take a look at an update to a feature in Microsoft Loop and Copilot. Did you know that when you're in a Loop page, you can go to the upper right-hand corner, select the three dots, and generate a recap for your page? Now, if you have the Microsoft 365 Copilot license, the AI will generate a summary of the changes so that you can help everybody collaborate and get up to speed quickly. And then nobody has to scan the entire page looking for the changes. If you don't have the paid Copilot license, you can still use Recap. You just have to type the notes yourself. So in this example, I do have a Copilot license, so I'm going to click Create New Recap. Prior to the recent update, Copilot would only look at the changes made in the most recent session. But now you have a little filter button next to the words Recap Your Changes with AI that allows you to choose from some pre-formatted options to change how much information Copilot is going to look at based on the time parameter and who contributed the changes. You can look for changes made by you or made by everyone. Now, this is test data that I pre-staged, so there's not a lot of information for Copilot to work with, but if we switch it to last 30 days instead of last 7 days, and then click the recap button again, you'll notice that Copilot added an additional bullet point. The longer you use your Loop pages and the more information you add, the better the AI suggested bullet points will become. Now, if you realize that there was a change that you made that Copilot didn't catch, you can still manually type in your notes. So for example, in this case, I added a note to say I needed to focus on creating a guide for better prompting. So I'm going to add that note to this recap. And then all you have to do is go to the bottom of the page and click Post. Now you'll see a card in the recap pane associated with the recent updates. Anyone who has access to this Loop page can open the recap and read it. If you notice that something needs to be changed or removed, you can go back to the recap card, click the three dots, and either edit the existing content or you can delete the recap entirely. In this example, I'm going to select Edit. In this example, I feel like this second bullet point is redundant, so I'm going to delete it and then repost the recap. If you're not already using it, give the recap feature a try and drop me a comment to let me know how it's going for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.